GEM journey. Let's start by understanding GEM, Gamified Enterprise Management. GEM is based on fluency levels for organizations who want to compete in an Industry 4.0 economy. This is based on the Agile Fluency model. It's gamified in that, like a video game, you need to compete at each level and finish each level before you go to the next. For true business agility, the entire organization needs to play the game. GEM does this through helping organizations create their management ecosystem. The first focus is on business results. These are derived from the leadership team determining the desired people results, customer results, and societal results, which are balanced to determine the actual business results the organization wants to achieve. Once the results are determined, the enterprise leaders align to that vision and roadmap to create an enablement pipeline that defines strategy, process, and measures aligned to the desired results. This enablement pipeline helps the teams to deliver products and services to customers with measured outputs and outcomes. Once they do this, the organization can analyze the outcomes and experiments to learn and innovate. This feeds into the process of determining desired results. There are 6 key Industry 4.0 disciplines that need to be mastered by the entire organization to support the ecosystem and deliver against strategy. Mastery in each discipline is essential for true business agility. In this session, we'll focus on one key discipline, GEM Fluency, for products, service, delivery. There are 5 levels of fluency that both the product and delivery team need to achieve together. The first 3 levels help teams learn to work, measure, and drive value to customers. The 4th and 5th levels are where teams can truly work as a cohesive product delivery team that improves, learns, and innovates together. You can view these through the Shuha lens, where the first level is learning the rules, the second level is where you start to break rules, and the 3rd level is where you begin to make new rules and experiment with new things. We coach teams using the GEM Fluency Framework knowledge base to help them learn different new practices each week. We coach teams through the first 3 levels of fluency, and you can find these in the knowledge base. Each level of fluency has 10 practices. The teams choose the practices to work on each week. As they practice, they'll be able to measure their progress with a simple thumbs up, thumbs sideways, or thumbs down vote. These measures are for the team and only for the team. Nobody else gets to see these measures, and these are used for the team to help improve their fluency in the practices that they've chosen. Our goal is to help teams become practitioners using the Page-Jones maturity model. Our thinking is if you're a practitioner, you're somebody who can actually practice one of the practices you've learned with very little help, maybe no help at all. And in time, you'll achieve mastery in that practice as you continue to develop your skills. We signify this with a thumbs up. If you're not quite sure of how to apply something that you've learned, you might get a thumb sideways. That would put you more in the apprentice range in the Page-Jones maturity model. And this means you might need some help. And finally, if you're just really not sure about what the practice is or what the value is behind it, this would put you in that first innocent stage where we'll need to help you learn what the practice is all about. As your team progresses through these levels, you'll see your leader move from a selling stance to a supporting approach as the team becomes a cohesive product delivery team that's focused on quality flow. As teams mature, they'll improve their ways of working and learning, and they'll produce outcomes that are aligned to the desired results. Welcome to new ways of working and learning and measuring for greater results.